Imagine if you went to a construction site and there was drywall and 2x4s and nails and hammers and glass and all these things and all this stuff, all the makings for a home. And you're walking around and someone's like, can you help me build my home? And you're like, well, where's the plan? I'm like, I don't have a plan. I got all this stuff. And you're like, I recognize you all this stuff and a lot of great stuff, but I want to help you develop a plan. Powerful language. Guys, I might not be a lot of things, or some people might have a lot of things to say about me, but what I will say with 100% confidence and conviction is my language is unparalleled. My language is unparalleled. My process unparalleled. If you do what I tell you to do, say what I tell you to say, you will succeed in this business.